Hello viewers, let's delete your old file in recycle bin automatically and avoid empty bin command repeatedly. So first click on Windows sign and then go to settings. Now click system and come down to storage. When it opens, show storage since. Turn on this button and also click on the same ribbon. Now open this box below, delete file in my recycle bin if they have been there for over, and you can choose from 1 to 60 days also or never default. I keep it on 60 days. Run storage since, and it has every day, every week, every month during low free disk space default. So let me keep it on default. Also open the box below, delete file in my download folder if they haven't been opened for more than. So when it open from 1 to 60 days appears, you can keep it on 60 days. I prefer to keep it on never default. And below it, run storage since. If you click it, so it will look for the old file as per your above criteria. In case if you would like to disable it again, so let me turn off the button, automatic user content cleanup. Turn off this button, and now if you go back, so storage since would have been turned off. So through this way you can enable or disable your automatically deleting old files from recycle bin. Thanks for watching.